Sri Gurubhyo Namaga. Welcome to our online class Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Class 6 Subject Science, Sorting Materials into Groups, Part 1 we are going to discuss. Can you see the picture, children? We have many things around us. Chair, table, book, pencil, bag and calculator, pen, everything around us. But they are everything is not a same shape and colors. The things are different shape and different colors. Let us grouping the materials. Introduction, classification, roughness, lustrous, transparency. In a physical state, we are going to see solid, liquid and gas. Roughness, the quantity of a state having an uneven surface. When you touch a bark of tree, you can see clearly it is a very rough. And when you touch a marble or when you touch a tiles, it is very smooth, or cotton. If you touch a cotton also, it is a smooth. By touching, you can see whether it is a rough or smooth. Lustrous, materials that have shiny surface and it is said to be lustrous. You can see gold, silver, diamond. And using a gold, we are preparing a jewelry and decorative items. And silver, we are preparing a decorative items as well as jewelers. Transparency, materials that allow light passes through completely are called transparent materials. You can see here in this pot you can see a fish inside. So it is a transparent. For transparent examples, clear glass, hair, water and cellophane tapes. Opaque, the material that do not allow light passes through them are called opaque object. Example, wood, iron and rock. You cannot see what is there in the other side of the wood, and you cannot see what is there other side of the gate. So it is the opaque object. If does not let the light passes through, it is a opaque, and wood, iron, rock are the example. Translucent, the material that partially allow the light through, that is called translucent. You can see something is there, but we cannot see what is there clearly. So this like this objects are known as translucent object. Example, oily paper and frosted glass and colored water. In physically, we can divide solid, liquid and gas state. Let us start solid state. All substance can be grouped on the basis of the three main categories, and solid, liquid and gas. Let us see here, the molecules are very closely packed and that is solid and we cannot compress. And example, rock, iron, table, chair, these are solid materials. And liquid, and they have a defined shape and defined volume, but this take the shape of the container when it bore it. Suppose if you are taken the water in the water bottle, it takes the water bottle shape. When you are taken the water in the glass, it take the glass shape, and the molecules are away compared to solid. Gas, they do not have a defined shape or volume. They have highly compressible. And example, oxygen and water vapor. And the molecules are very far away. You can see the picture, the molecules are very far away. And Examples are helium and hydrogen gas. So solid, the molecules are closely packed. In a liquid, the molecules are loosely packed, and the gas, the molecules are very far away. Thank you. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.